This video is about building a do-it-yourself Hakko 936 clone from aftermarket parts. This was the easiest build and the best functioning soldering station of all the projects on this channel. The parts were acquired over time as they became available. The Hakko 907 iron came first, followed by the controller and faceplate a few years later. Recently, suppliers were found for the enclosure case and the soldering iron holder. The first thing that had to be worked out was the wiring. A schematic was needed, and I found one online. It was easy to identify the solder pads to make the connections. The supply wires plus a chassis ground wire were soldered to the circuit board. The circuit board came with solder pads for a 1 mega ohm resistor. The schematic called for it, so I soldered one on the underside of the circuit board. The circuit board was tested with a transformer and a soldering iron to make sure everything worked. After adjusting the temperature dial a few times, the test was concluded.
335, 344, 345. Now that's pretty good right there. 346, 345. That looks pretty good right in there. That looks good right there. 343. Okay, I'm happy with the adjustment.
An Okura LP-577 3-amp transformer was selected for this project. Four cable ties, 3 mm by 150 mm, were used to secure the transformer to the enclosure. Use a 1/8 inch drill bit to drill through the plastic supports between the transformer screw mounts on both sides to connect the cable ties together. The power cord was made from an 18-gauge computer power cord with the socket end cut off. Solder the 24-volt secondary leads to the controller circuit board. Solder the hot and neutral wires from the power cord plus the transformer primary leads to the switch circuit board with the fuse. The cord stopper secures the power cord to the case. Insert the switch circuit board with the fuse into the bottom slots of the enclosure case. The secondary center tap yellow wire is not connected. Cover the exposed copper wire with heat shrink tube. Affix crimp ring terminals for a number 6 stud and attach the green ground wires to the transformer mounting flanges. Use number 632 machine screws, hex nuts, and flat washers as shown in the photograph. Attach the ground wire from the power cord to the left mounting flange. Attach the ground wire from the circuit board to the right mounting flange. If you can't find 632 machine screws of the right length, you can use a longer one and cut it down with a wire stripper, crimper, screw cutter, multi-tool. It's a very quick and easy operation.